So at Shiraz Endo, we specialise in root treatments and gum treatment management. For patients requiring bridge work or denture work or implant work, we recommend going to see our own dental practice to discuss this matter further. Yes, we have an in-house CBCT scanner, which means we can take high-quality 3D scans of your teeth quickly and efficiently, often during the same visit, helping us diagnose and treat with even more precision. Our waiting time depends on the treatment that's required. The reception team was happy to call patients, and we also prioritise patients that are in pain. At Shiraz Endo, we have ample car parking for patients visiting the practice. The entrance to the car park, although we've got a Warwick Road address, is off the side road called Melford Hall Road. So it's more or less immediate as you turn into Melford Hall Road. We're on the right hand side and there's big purple signs everywhere. So at Shiraz Endo, we aim to contact patients not long after we receive the referral, and one of our experienced reception team will call and discuss a consultation appointment for you. Yes, normally our clinicians arrange for either a 6-month or a 12-monthly review post-treatment. At Shiraz Endo, we take all forms of credit card except for American Express. We also take cash and we can make back payments too. We're open Monday to Friday, normally 8:30 to 5:30. You can also find these on the website, and if there are any bank holidays, these are also reflected on the website and also on the answer machine.